Welcome to The Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today. If you're an executive looking to really understand where enterprise ops are heading, you are in the right place. We're going to explore something that is fundamentally transforming enterprise operations from the ground up: autonomous data agents. We're going to take this massive macro trend of agentic AI and drill it all the way down to real-world ROI, looking at exactly how organizations are leveraging this technology right now to radically streamline their operational decision-making. Okay, let's dive into this. Gartner predicts that by 2027, which is practically tomorrow, more than half of all business decisions are going to be augmented or straight up automated by agentic AI. Just think about that for a second. We aren't talking about those simple, clunky chatbots anymore. We're talking about proactive, autonomous agents capable of extracting highly complex insights from massive data ecosystems. The agentic era? It's already here. Proactive automation is no longer a future concept you can just table for next year. It is an urgent operational imperative if you want to remain competitive. So here is our roadmap for the Explainer today. We'll start with how the agentic era is here, then move into automating operational decisions, scaling with enterprise governance, tracking agentic KPIs, and finally, we'll look at some real ROI with Virgin Media O2. Part 1. Automating operational decisions, moving from backlogs to immediate insights. Now, what's really interesting about this is the massive shift in operational speed. Historically, data engineering and data science teams have faced these never-ending, highly complex project backlogs. Building a simple model or a pipeline would take a data scientist weeks, sometimes literally months, of just exploring data and building scaffolding code. But under the new paradigm, utilizing Google Cloud's newly generally available data engineering and data science agents, those exact same tasks are completed in minutes. Just by starting with simple natural language prompts, these autonomous agents can generate sophisticated pipelines, write the code, and test the models, entirely transforming your time to insight. And for the business users out there, we have a capability called deep data research. These AI capabilities go way beyond simple pointed questions. Imagine your business sees a sudden, severe spike in product return rates. Instead of just asking for a static number, you can ask an agent to run autonomously, synthesizing structured data from BigQuery, unstructured data, even real-time web information to determine exactly why it's happening. The agent can run for longer periods to really diagnose complex operational bottlenecks. It can connect the dots between declining profitability, high return rates, and negative customer sentiment, and then return a comprehensive, long-form analytical report detailing the primary drivers behind the issues. It's like having an incredibly fast analyst right at your fingertips. Moving on to part 2, scaling with enterprise governance. Security and trust as the absolute foundation. Look, knowing these agents exist is really only half the battle. The massive challenge of enterprise deployment is governance. Because if you simply unleash autonomous AI agents across your organization without an ironclad structure, you're running a massive risk. As Myro Flores, the Associate VP of Data at Virgin Media O2 bluntly puts it, rubbish in, rubbish out. It's an old phrase, but it's completely true here. If the foundational data architecture is poor, or if your business metrics are muddy, the AI will inevitably be flawed. If an executive asks the agent for revenue and gets 3 different answers, the tool immediately loses all trust. So how do you fix it? Well, Virgin Media O2 uses a really strict framework for safe deployment. First, you must centralize your data into a single source of truth, like BigQuery. Second, and this is absolutely crucial, you build certified business layers. This means you predefine and certify the business logic before the AI ever even touches it, so the agent always has the correct context. And third, to clear those strict procurement and security hurdles, they implemented mandatory user training. If an employee wants access to the AI agent, they must be trained on how to use it safely, or they lose their license. It proves that immense technological capability must be actively paired with strict human governance. Part 3, tracking agentic KPIs, measuring real-time performance. Once governance is established, we have to shift the focus over to executive accountability. How can leadership actually track the return on investment of these autonomous conversational tools? Because you can't manage what you can't measure, right? This is exactly where the new BigQuery Agent Analytics plugin comes in. With literally just a single line of code inside frameworks like LangGraph, you can persist these exact critical metrics directly into BigQuery. You can track real-time agent performance, monitor latency to ensure the tool's actually saving time, track token usage to manage your compute costs, and even monitor customer sentiment based on the interactions. It gives leaders a definitive, fully integrated way to track ROI. Our final section, Part 4, Real ROI with Virgin Media O2, proving the value at enterprise scale. Let's bring all of this theory into reality. Virgin Media O2 is one of the largest telecom providers in the UK, managing 45 million connections. They successfully built a custom conversational AI interface called Parity to bring autonomous data agents directly to their workforce. And the results are just staggering. Over a single year, the amount of data processed by Gemini in BigQuery grew by 30 times. And this brilliantly illustrates what happens when you integrate correctly. When you put a governed conversational interface in front of certified data, you see a massive explosion in user adoption and systemic efficiency. It empowers employees to explore their curiosities and ask deep follow-up questions without waiting for the data team to build a new dashboard. Look at the operational speed here. When Virgin Media O2 first started this journey, it took them about 3 months of exploration just to prototype and get an agent live. 3 months. Now, because they have their data centralized and their certified business layers securely in place, the data team can create a highly accurate, targeted data agent for a business unit in literally minutes. This is a sheer operational victory, transforming a sluggish, quarter-long prototype cycle into an instant, on-demand capability for the business. So far, with just around 750 trained users actively using the platform, the internal data agents have already provided over 12,000 accurate answers to complex business queries. But the real ROI isn't just in the sheer volume, it's in the impact. Mara Flores noted that veteran employees, people who have literally been in the telco industry for over 20 years, have sent emails calling this the best tool they have ever seen built at the company. That right there proves that when you do the hard work up front, safe data democratization absolutely works. So, the crucial point I want to leave you with today is this. The technology is here. With modern AI, your enterprise data agents can literally be built and deployed in minutes. But is your foundational data architecture and governance strategy ready to support it safely? It's a profound question, and one that every executive needs to deeply ponder as we race headfirst into the agentic era. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. I hope this helped clarify exactly how to drive real, secure ROI with autonomous AI. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time.